If you've heard that you can earn real cash back just by shopping, you've probably come across Ibotta. But is Ibotta actually legitimate, or is it just another app that promises rewards and never pays? In this review, we'll explain how Ibotta works, how users earn cash back, its biggest advantages and disadvantages, and whether it's worth using in 2026. Let's get started. First, what is Ibotta? Ibotta is a cashback and rewards app that allows users to earn money on everyday purchases. Instead of earning points, Ibotta gives you real cashback after you buy eligible products from participating retailers. You can shop at grocery stores, pharmacies, convenience stores, online retailers, and even travel websites through the app. To earn rewards, you simply browse available offers before shopping, purchase the qualifying products, and then upload your receipt or link your loyalty account if the store supports automatic verification. Once your purchase is confirmed, the cashback is added to your Ibotta account. So, is Ibotta legitimate? Yes. Ibotta is a legitimate cashback company that has been operating since 2012 and has paid billions of dollars in cashback to its users. Millions of people use the app regularly to save money on groceries and everyday purchases. Once you reach the minimum withdrawal amount, you can cash out through PayPal, bank transfer, or choose from a variety of popular gift cards. One of Ibotta's biggest advantages is that it provides real cash instead of reward points. It also partners with hundreds of well-known retailers, making it easy to earn cash back on products many people already buy. The app frequently offers bonuses for completing multiple offers, referring friends, or shopping during special promotions, allowing active users to increase their earnings. Now let's talk about the downsides. Not every product qualifies for cashback. You need to activate offers before shopping, and each offer has specific requirements and expiration dates. Some users also mention that forgetting to activate an offer before making a purchase means they won't receive cash back for that transaction. Another common complaint is that certain receipts may require manual review if they aren't processed automatically. What do real users think? Overall, Ibotta receives mostly positive reviews. Many users report earning hundreds of dollars in cash back over time simply by scanning receipts and shopping through participating retailers. However, some users mention occasional issues with receipt verification, missing cash back on certain offers, or delays when customer support needs to review a purchase. Fortunately, these situations appear to be the exception rather than the rule. So, what's the final verdict? Is Ibotta a scam? No. Ibotta is a legitimate cashback app that really does pay users. However, it's important to remember that it's designed to help you save money on purchases you were already planning to make. It's not a way to earn a full-time income, but it can be an excellent tool for reducing your everyday shopping expenses. If you regularly buy groceries or shop online, Ibotta is definitely worth considering in 2026. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments whether you've tried Ibotta and how much cash back you've earned.